want to teach them how work is done in OEMs, like how the basics and everything. So once they complete, so it will be a head start for them.
The thing is, why we visit the colleges is like just to see, just to understand and how the students are doing there. I mean, what are the basic they have to start a clay molding, how they transfer from 2D to 3D, and what are the basics, and how to use the tools, how to make the armature, what are the material they can use. So mainly these areas we need to focus.